Hey guys, today let's look at the single arm suitcase dumbbell squats because it is very easy to get them wrong if you don't pay attention to some details. Unilateral training is very beneficial, but you got to make sure you get the form right. First and foremost, try not to lean or twist more towards the weighted side. Keep your shoulders level and try to treat this as if you have weights or dumbbells on both hands. Very naturally, we all tend to do this common mistake. That's why it's important to be conscious about this. Another common mistake is not being aware of how the knees are behaving and letting them cave inwards. Make sure that doesn't happen and try to keep the knees in line with the toes. Push them out and keep them in line. Here's another classic and my favorite: squatting with driving your knees forward way too much instead of hinging your hips. And when that happens, naturally your heels are going to come off the floor, and that's a sign that you're not squatting with a hip hinge. So work on pushing those hips back as you squat. Keep the back straight, level up those shoulders, keep your knees in line with the toes, and enjoy squatting.